We've talked before about why some drivers miss older cars and why a lot of people just do not like modern ones. The screens, the warnings, the repairs, and the feeling that everything has become more complicated than it needs to be. But to be fair, that is only one side of the story because plenty of drivers genuinely love their newer cars, not because they are flashy and not because they want every gadget under the sun, but because some modern features really do make driving easier, safer, calmer, and more comfortable. So, today we're going through 9 things drivers actually love about modern cars. And stay for number 9 because that one explains why, for some drivers, a newer car gives them a kind of peace of mind an older car usually cannot. Let's get into it. Number 1, the extra set of eyes drivers quickly rely on. This is one of those modern car features that a lot of drivers do not fully appreciate until they have used it for a while. I'm talking about backup cameras, parking sensors, blind spot warnings, and rear cross traffic alerts. At first, some people might think, do I really need all that? But once you have it in your car and use it every day, it's easy to understand why so many drivers love it. Because there are moments in everyday driving where you just cannot see everything. You might be reversing out of a tight driveway, backing into a parking space, trying to leave a shopping center car park with 2 big SUVs beside you, or changing lanes on a busy road where a car is sitting in that awkward spot beside you. That is where these features can really help. A backup camera gives you a clearer view behind the car. Parking sensors can warn you when you are getting too close to something. Blind spot warnings can remind you that there is a car beside you before you move across. And rear cross traffic alerts can warn you when something is coming behind you while you are reversing out. That is why drivers get used to them so quickly. It is not about the car replacing the driver. You still need to look around, check your mirrors, and use common sense. But these features can catch something you might miss. And for a lot of people, that makes driving feel less stressful. Nobody enjoys that horrible moment where you hear a crunch and realize you were closer than you thought. Nobody wants to reverse out slowly, hoping nothing is coming. And nobody wants to change lanes and suddenly hear a horn because a car was sitting right where they did not see it. That is why this feature belongs near the top. Because even people who complain about modern cars will often admit that cameras and warning systems like these can be genuinely useful. They make tight spaces easier, they make car parks less stressful, and they give drivers a little more confidence in the moments where mistakes can happen fast. Number 2, the bad weather features that make driving feel easier. This is another area where modern cars can win people over. Bad weather can make even a normal drive feel tiring. Heavy rain, fogged up windows, dark roads, spray from trucks, headlights reflecting off wet roads. It does not take much for a simple drive to become stressful. That is why a lot of drivers love the features that help in bad weather. Automatic headlights can turn on when the light drops. Rain sensing wipers can react when the windscreen starts getting wet. Heated mirrors can help clear moisture so you are not staring at blurry side mirrors. Fast demisters can clear the windscreen quicker when it fogs up. And better headlights can make a huge difference when you're driving at night or in poor weather. These are not always the features people brag about when they buy a new car. Nobody usually walks into work saying, guess what? My demister is amazing. But when you actually need it, you appreciate it. You get in the car on a cold morning, the windows are fogged up, and instead of sitting there wiping the glass with your sleeve like you're polishing a fish tank, the car clears it properly. Or you are driving through sudden rain and the wipers come on before you even reach for the stalk. Or you are on a dark road and realize the headlights are much better than the old yellow ones you used to trust with your life for some reason. That is the kind of thing drivers love about modern cars, not because it is flashy, but because it makes the drive easier when conditions are not ideal. And yes, some people still prefer to control everything themselves. That is fair. But for many drivers, these bad weather features make the car feel calmer, safer, and easier to live with. When the weather turns ugly, a modern car can take away some of the little stresses that used to make driving feel harder than it needed to be. Number 3, the screen feature that actually makes sense. Now, modern car screens get a lot of criticism, and honestly, some of that criticism is fair. When a screen replaces simple buttons for things like fan speed, temperature, or basic controls, a lot of drivers hate it. But there is one screen feature many people actually love: Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is one of those modern features that makes sense because it brings something familiar into the car. Your maps, your music, your calls, your messages, your podcasts, the apps you already know how to use. Instead of trying to learn a strange built in navigation system that feels like it was designed in 2009 and then forgotten about, you can use the phone system you already understand. And that is why drivers like it. You get in the car, plug in your phone, or connect wirelessly, and suddenly the screen feels useful. You can follow directions more easily. You can listen to your own playlist. You can use voice commands. You can answer calls without digging around for your phone. And if you drive different cars, it still feels familiar because your phone comes with you. That is a big deal. A lot of drivers do not want a complicated dashboard full of menus they never asked for, but they do want simple access to maps, music, and calls while keeping their phone out of their hand. That is where CarPlay and Android Auto really win people over. Of course, it still needs to be used sensibly. You do not want to be scrolling through playlists or tapping around while driving. But when it is set up properly, it can make the car feel easier to use, not harder. And that is the difference. Some screens make simple things more complicated. But this is one modern screen feature that many drivers feel actually makes daily driving better. Coming up, we've got the features that can make long drives, daily driving, and even bad traffic feel a lot less exhausting. And by the way, if you've ever used a modern car feature and thought, okay, I actually do love this one, hit the like button. Number 4, the long drive helper that changes highway driving. This is one modern feature that a lot of drivers really do love once they use it properly. Adaptive cruise control. Normal cruise control has been around for years. You set the speed, take your foot off the accelerator, and the car keeps going at that speed. That was already useful on long drives, but adaptive cruise control takes it further. It can help keep a set distance from the car in front of you. So if traffic slows down, your car can slow down too. Then when traffic speeds up again, it can bring you back up to your chosen speed. And on a long highway drive, that can make a big difference. You are not constantly tapping the brakes. You are not resetting cruise control every few minutes. You are not getting as tired from constantly adjusting your speed because the car in front keeps speeding up and slowing down. That is why people love it. It can make long drives feel calmer, especially on highways, long commutes, or trips where traffic keeps changing, but never fully stops. Now, this is not the same as letting the car drive for you. You still need to watch the road. You still need to keep your hands ready. And you still need to understand how your own car's system works. But when adaptive cruise control is used properly, it can take away some of the constant little work that makes long drives feel tiring. And that is the good side of modern car technology. Some features are not about showing off. They are about making a normal drive feel less exhausting. Number 5, the comfort upgrade people notice more than they expected. This one is not about one flashy feature. It is about how modern cars feel to sit in and drive every day. A lot of newer cars are simply quieter, smoother, and more comfortable than older ones. You notice it on rough roads. You notice it on long trips. You notice it when you close the door and the outside noise drops away. That might not sound exciting at first, but after a while, it matters. Less road noise means you are not raising your voice just to talk to the person beside you. A smoother ride means bumps and rough surfaces do not feel as harsh. Better seats can make a long drive feel easier on your back and legs, and a quieter cabin can make the whole car feel calmer. This is one reason some people love modern cars. They might agree that older cars were simpler. They might even miss real buttons, real keys, and easier repairs. But then they get into a newer car and think, actually, this is really comfortable. And that is fair. Comfort does matter. If you drive every day, sit in traffic, take long trips, or use your car for work, the way the car feels can make a big difference. A noisy, rough, tiring car might have personality, but personality is not always fun after 2 hours on the road. Modern cars can make daily driving feel less draining. And for a lot of people, that is not a small thing. It is one of the main reasons they enjoy having a newer car. Number 6, the safety improvement families care about most. This is one of the biggest reasons many people still love modern cars. Safety. Now, older cars can have a lot of charm. They can feel simple, solid, and easier to understand. But when it comes to crash protection, modern cars have come a long way. And for families, that matters. A lot of people are not buying a newer car because they want the fanciest screen or the newest gadget. They are buying it because they want to feel safer with their kids, partner, grandkids, or family members inside. Modern cars are built with stronger crash structures. They often have more airbags. They are designed to protect people better in different types of crashes. And many newer cars have safety systems that can help reduce the chance of a crash happening in the first place. That is a big deal. Because when you are driving with people you love in the car, safety becomes more than a feature. It becomes personal. You might complain about the beeps. You might hate the screens. You might miss the simple feeling of older cars. But if a newer car gives your family a better chance in a serious crash, a lot of drivers will say that matters more than almost anything else. And that is why this one belongs on the list. Modern cars are not perfect. They can be expensive, they can be complicated, they can be annoying in ways older cars never were. But when it comes to protecting the people inside, this is one area where many drivers are genuinely thankful for how far cars have come. Coming up, the last three are the ones that show why modern cars are not just about safety and technology. Because sometimes it is the comfort, the confidence, and the peace of mind that make drivers say, I actually do love this car. Number seven, the little luxury people laugh at until they have it. This is where modern cars can be surprisingly hard to give up because some features sound unnecessary until you actually use them. Heated seats, ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, memory seat settings, power tailgates, little comfort extras that some drivers used to laugh at. You might hear someone say, why would anyone need a heated steering wheel? Then one cold morning, they use one, and suddenly they understand it is the same with heated seats. At first, it sounds like a luxury. But when it is freezing outside and the seat warms up before the whole cabin does, it feels very nice. Ventilated seats are the same in hot weather. Nobody wants to sit in a car that has been baking in the sun and feel like the seat is personally attacking them. These are not features people need to survive, but that does not mean people do not love them. A lot of modern car features get criticized for being annoying or too complicated, but some of these little comfort features are simple. You press a button and the car feels better to sit in. That is why drivers get attached to them. They make everyday driving feel a little nicer. Not in a dramatic way, just in a way you notice again and again. And once people get used to that extra comfort, going back to a car without it can feel like a bigger downgrade than they expected. Number eight, the peace of mind older cars usually cannot give you. This is one of the biggest reasons people still buy newer cars. Peace of mind. Not every driver wants to gamble on an older car with unknown problems. Some people do not want to wonder how the last owner treated it. They do not want to guess whether the oil was changed on time. They do not want to worry about what might be hiding underneath the car, inside the engine, or behind the dashboard. That is why a newer car can feel reassuring. You know the history, you know the mileage, you may have a warranty, and if something goes wrong early, there is a better chance it is covered. That matters to a lot of drivers, especially people who need their car every day, getting to work, taking kids to school, driving to appointments, going on longer trips. For those drivers, the car is not just a toy or a hobby. It is something they rely on. So while some people love older cars because they are simpler and easier to work on, other people love newer cars because they do not want to work on them at all. They just want to get in, start it, and feel confident it will do what it is supposed to do. And that is fair. Not everyone wants a project. Not everyone wants to spend weekends chasing strange noises, looking up parts, or hoping the old car starts tomorrow. For a lot of people, the best thing about a newer car is not one fancy feature. It is the feeling that they can relax a little more because sometimes peace of mind is worth a lot. Number nine, the reason some drivers still choose modern, even with all the complaints. This is the big reason modern cars still have plenty of fans. Because even with all the complaints, a newer car can simply make daily driving feel easier. Not perfect, not always cheaper, and definitely not always simpler, but easier. For some drivers, that matters more than anything else. They are not trying to prove a point about old cars or new cars. They just want a car that helps them get through the day with less stress. A car that is easier to park, easier to drive in bad weather, easier to use on long trips, more comfortable in traffic, and safer for the people sitting inside it. That is why some drivers still choose modern cars, even when they understand the complaints. They know the screens can be annoying. They know repairs can be expensive. They know older cars had a simple charm that newer cars often do not have. But when they get into a newer car and it feels quiet, comfortable, helpful, and reassuring, they can understand why people love them. That is the side of modern cars that gets missed in all the arguments. For some drivers, the best part is not one single feature. It is the whole feeling that the car is making life a little easier. And that is why, even with all the criticism, plenty of people still get into their modern car, drive away, and think, yeah, I actually really like this. Modern cars get a lot of criticism, but as you can see, there are still plenty of reasons drivers love them. If you've got a modern feature you actually enjoy, tell me in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe to Pro Car Tips and Tricks, and click the video on the screen next. I'll see you there.